Hey everybody, this is Michael Bean from Advanced Charter School. The holidays are coming up. Odds are you're probably going to do some online shopping. Odds are you've used Amazon before in the past. So today I'm going to show you guys about Amazon Smile. Amazon Smile is a great way for you to get your online shopping done and also send a little cash flow back to Advanced Charter School at the same time, which is great because you're getting your shopping done for your aunts and your uncle and your cousins and your brothers and sisters while helping Advanced Charter School all at the same time. Okay. Now, Amazon Smile is a great program to use, but it's also tricky to get into because Amazon has it, but they don't really advertise how to use it because you know, they're not going to just scream from the mountaintops how they're giving their money away. So if you look at the screen I have right here, it's Amazon right here. And I can tell by the top left-hand corner, it just says Amazon. Okay. I want to go to Amazon Smile though. So what I need to do is open up a new tab and I go to Amazon. I'm going to go to smile.amazon.com. And you can tell I've been there a few times. It's just smile.amazon.com. I'm going to hit return. If you guys notice now, left-hand corner says Amazon Smile. It no longer says Amazon. It says Amazon Smile. So this is normal Amazon, and then this is Amazon Smile, okay? Because when I use Amazon Smile, my favorite charity gets to reap the benefits of some of the profit that Amazon normally would take themselves. It gets donated back to a charitable foundations, okay? So I want to have that set up so I can benefit Advanced Charter School, okay? So right here where it says account list, I will see your Amazon Smile. This does not show up in a normal Amazon account. If I go back to Amazon and I click on my list, there's nothing here about your Amazon Smile. So I need to make sure I go to Amazon Smile, and there she is right there, and I can click right there, and I will see your Amazon Smile. Okay, I can click on that, and it says that I have it associated with the Advanced Charter School Foundation, which is great because that means Advanced Charter School is getting money back from my purchases. Okay, now if yours doesn't say that yet, we can fix that. Okay, so change charity, and it's going to take me back to this, and it says, well, I'll give you a few things. Any charity you donate to is fantastic. I don't want you to think that you just have to donate to Advanced Charter School. Any charity is fantastic. I'm just asking if you don't, hey, consider Advanced Charter School. So you can tell I typed in Advanced Charter School before. I'm going to click on that, Advanced Charter School. I'm going to search for it. And boom, this is what pulls up. I got Advanced Charter School Foundation and the Advanced Charter School Incorporated. I want to use that Advanced Charter School Foundation. If you don't know what the foundation does, they raise the funds for the big picture idea stuff, like a brand new high school wing. Boom, we did that. Maybe a new gym one day. That kind of stuff like that there is what Advanced Charter School Foundation worries about, okay? So I'm going to click select. And boom, there I am. That's all there is to it. It says you've changed your charity to Advanced Charter School Foundation. So every time I use smile.amazon.com, I will be benefiting Advanced Charter School, which is fantastic because I don't have to sell any chocolate bars. I don't have to sell any popcorn. I don't have to sell any wrapping paper. I can just go to Amazon Smile and shop there. Now, that being said, if I go to Amazon.com, that will not work. I can use Amazon all day long, but Amazon Smile will not be donating money back to my charity of choice. So when I do my shopping, instead of doing Amazon, I'm going to go to smile.amazon.com. You can tell I've used it a bunch of times. And boom, when I see that Amazon Smile in the top left-hand corner, that means the charity of my choice is reaping the benefits of me shopping. Like I said, you've got the holidays coming up. Christmas is coming. You're going to have to buy something for your grandma. She has everything. So what do? You go to Amazon, you search for something to buy grandma. You need to buy something for your cousins, for your aunt, for your uncle. Again, no matter what you buy them, if you buy it using Amazon Smile, Advanced Charter School will get to reap a little bit of the benefits of that. And you can tell right here that it says supporting Advanced Charter School Foundation. That doesn't show up when I go to normal Amazon, okay? So I can tell I'm a diehard Ghostbusters fan, so let's say I want to buy a Ghostbusters shirt. If you don't like Ghostbusters, there's something wrong with you because Ghostbusters is amazing. So let's say I want to buy this shirt right here, and I click add to cart, and I gotta pick a size. Let's pick a size, extra large. I don't want to do that. Click add to cart, and boom, it goes to my shopping cart. So when I proceed to checkout, I believe they'll say you're using Amazon Smiles. Continue using Amazon Smiles, okay? And that's how that works. Like I said, you'll notice it says Amazon Smile in the top left-hand corner of the screen. It'll say supporting Advanced Charter School Foundation. Again, in order to get access to this, you must go to Amazon Smiles, okay? So if I just go to Amazon.com, let's do this again, Amazon.com. It just says Amazon out in the corner. It won't say anything about Smiles. And if I click on my accounts and lists, it won't say anything about my Amazon Smile account. I got to make sure I go to Amazon Smile. Here we go. And it'll tell you all sorts of information about what Amazon Smile does and how to use it and everything. But I want to make sure when I go under accounts and lists, I click on your Amazon Smile to make sure that I'm part of that portion of my purchase goes back to the Advanced Charter School Foundation, okay? So, if nothing else, you've learned something new today. There's Amazon, and then there's Amazon Smile. You want to look for that logo in the top left-hand corner, because every time you make that purchase, we will get a little bit of that money back to help us do bigger and better things here at Advanced Charter School. If you have any questions about this video, don't hesitate to send me an email. My email address is bnm@advancedcharter.org. Tell your parents about this. Tell your friends about this. Get everyone to use Amazon Smile because, like I said, we get to reap the benefits of this. If you're already using Amazon Smile, that is awesome. Fantastic. Good for you. Continue to do that. I don't care what the charity is. Try to give back as much as you possibly can because, that's how we become better people, by trying to do things to help improve the lives of others, okay? So make sure you spread the word around when you're doing your holiday shopping. Use Amazon Smile, and I think that's about it. So everyone here, have a good day, and may peace be with you.